Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Climate in India. First question: the northeast trade winds cause which of the following in India? Option A: winter rains in northwestern India. Option B: winter rains in Chennai. Option C: dust storm in the Thar Desert. Option D: inclement condition in the Indian Himalayas. Answer: Option B: winter rains in Chennai. Second question: the concept of differential heating was primarily given to explain which of the following geographical phenomena in India? Option A: monsoon. Option B: jet streams. Option C: cyclones. Option D: desert storms. Answer: Option A: monsoon. Third question: which of the following reason is for the tropical climate of India? Option A: seasonal influence of jet streams. Option B: location of the Himalayas in its north. Option C: overpowering influence of Indian Ocean. Option D: country being a part of Asian landmass. Answer: Option B: location of the Himalayas in its north. Fourth question: which gases are not the greenhouse gases? Option A: methane. Option B: chlorofluorocarbon. Option C: carbon dioxide. Option D: hydrogen. Answer: Option D: hydrogen. Fifth question: consider the following statements. Identify the right ones. Monsoon refers the climate associated with seasonal reversal in the direction of winds. Second point: India has hot monsoonal climate. Option A: first point only. Second point only. C: both. D: none. Answer: C: both. Sixth question: the climate of India is Option A: tropical climate. Option B: subtropical climate. Option C: savanna type of climate. Option D: subtropical monsoon. Answer: Option B: subtropical monsoon. Seventh question: the reason for Rajasthan being deficient in rainfall is Option A: the monsoon failed to reach this area. Option B: it is too hot. Option C: there is no water available and thus the wind remains dry. Option D: the winds did not come across any barrier to cause necessary uplift to be cooled. Answer: the winds do not come across any barrier to cause necessary uplift to be cooled. Eighth question: which one of the following cities never experienced vertical rays of the sun during noon? Option A: Chennai. Option B: Mangalore. Option C: Mumbai. Option D: New Delhi. Answer: Option D: New Delhi. Ninth question: which of the following is recognized as a season by the Meteorological Department of India? Option A: cold weather. Option B: hot weather. Option C: retreating monsoon. Option D: northeastern monsoon. Answer: Option D: northeastern monsoon. 10th question: which of the following factors does not have influence on the Indian climate? Option A: presence of Indian Ocean. Option B: nearness to equator. Option C: monsoons. Option D: ocean currents. Answer: Option D: ocean currents. 11th question. The climate of India is mainly tropical because of the option A. Seasonal influence of jet streams. Option B. Location of the Himalayas in its north. Option C. Overpowering influence of Indian Ocean. Option D. Country being a part of Asian landmass. Answer. Option B. Location of the Himalayas in its north. 12th question. Which one receives winter disturbances of the following regions? Rainfall caused by the western. Option A. Punjab. Option B. Kerala. Option C. Tamil Nadu. Option D. Karnataka coast. Answer. Option A. Punjab. 13th question. Which among the following are the cause of winter rains in northern India? Option A. Western disturbances. Option B. Receding monsoons. Option C. Normal monsoons. Option D. Trade winds. Answer. Option A. Western disturbances. 14th question. In which of the following seasons brief squalls and thunderstorms known as Kalbaishaki or nor'westers often occur in West Bengal? Option A. Early winter. Option B. Late winter. Option C. Early summer. Option D. Rainy season. Answer. Option C. Early summer. 15th question. Most of India's rainfall is Option A. Cyclonic. Option B. Convectional. Option C. Elusive. Option D. Orographic. Answer. Option B. Convectional. 16th question. Rainfall in India is not associated with Option A. Orography. Option B. Convection. Option C. Cyclones. Option D. Anticyclones. Answer. Option D. Anticyclones. 17th question. Every year, bulk of the rainfall received during the monsoon season in almost all parts of India. Which among the following state is an exception to this? Option A. Kerala. Option B. Karnataka. Option C. Andhra Pradesh. Option D. Tamil Nadu. Answer. Option D. Tamil Nadu. 18th question. In India, the rainfall is mainly orographic. Which among the following follows the word in bold? Option A. The rainfall occurs when the moist air becomes saturate. Option B. The rainfall occurs when the masses of air pushed by wind are forced up by large mountains. Option C. The rainfall occurs on only one side of the mountains. Option D. The rainfall is lesser in rain shadow areas. Answer. Option B. The rainfall occurs when the masses of air pushed by wind are forced up by large mountains. 19th question. Which among following generally brings rainfall to Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal? Option A. Western disturbances. Option B. Eastern disturbances. Option C. Westerly winds. Option D. All the above. Answer. Option A. Western disturbances. 20th question. Which among the following cities of India does not fall in torrid zone? Option A. Chennai. Option B. Mumbai. Option C. Jodhpur. Option D. Jaipur. Answer. Option D. Jaipur. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.